What's up, everyone? We're back with another review. This is Joseph. All right, so I got this Bank watch. The model number is CA53W. And yeah, I got this for the gym, right?
And in the gym, the watch is very light on the wrist. It's 25 grams, something like that. Very good for stopping and starting in between sets. That's what I use it for. So I'm using that side button to switch over to the stopwatch. And then when I'm at the stopwatch, I simply click start and stop to track how long it takes in between sets. And if you're more so into, watch collecting or buying for functionality, I think this is a good buy, a good pickup. Somewhere around the $22 price point with taxes out the door in the US for Amazon.com. That's where I got this watch from, and I suggest taking a look. Comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think, and take care.